Are you a lover of coffee like me? If you are, this video is for you. Go ahead and scoop 2 tablespoons of coffee in a cup. Pour in hot water. Keep it aside to be getting cold. It needs to be cold before you use it for what you are going to be using. Keep watching. So bring out your stand mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you what you are going to be using that will be so easy for you to make this ice cream. So go ahead and pour in your whipping cream. I use heavy whipping cream. Then go ahead and start mixing it until it is fluffy. It's gonna be fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. Have you liked this video yet? If you have not, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and like this video. Oh my god, look at that fluffiness. So you are going to whip and whip until it's this fluffy. This is the kind of texture we are looking for. So we're going to be adding our next ingredient, that is condensed milk. Go ahead and add that condensed milk in there. After adding it, we are going to be adding cocoa powder or Milo. So what I use here is Milo. So go ahead and pour in that coffee we mixed before. Now it is cold already. Don't pour it when it's still hot. Yeah, you're not going to pour it when it's still hot. Make sure it is very cold before you pour it in. So go ahead and give it a good mix again. Mix it again. Is going to combine very well. Scrape out the ones by the side so that everything will combine very well. Our coffee ice cream is ready. Now you are going to pour it in your preferable bowl and put it inside the freezer. Allow it to stay for up to 5 hours to 6 hours. Then you get it out, you have your lovely ice cream to enjoy with your family. Okay, look at that. Oh my god, look at that creaminess. Guys, you will love this. If you're a lover of coffee, this is your way to go. Ice cream, so yummy. So go ahead and scoop it out to your bowl that you can be able to put in your freezer. It's amazing how you love me. It's amazing how you do the things you do for me. Testimonies, It's amazing how you love me. It's amazing how you do. So the ice cream is ready now. So you are going to scoop and enjoy. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, like, share, subscribe for more. Okay. So if you don't have stand mixer, you're going to be using your blender. Yes, your blender can do the job. Use your blender to whip your whipping cream. That's